Hey friends, first of all, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you. For me, this year was great because you on this channel. Today we're continuing our festive scalping challenge and this time we're going all in. In the last episode, we pushed our deposit from 1,600 to 8,000. Today, I'm putting that entire amount back into the market. No holding back, just fast-paced, aggressive scalping for the fun of it. And of course, stay tuned till the end of this video to learn how to join our weekly giveaways. Let's go! Okay guys, today's session is simple. Fast 5-second trades using the Impulse Sniper strategy. Settings also standard. Bollinger Band, period 10 deviation 2, EMA 5. We only trade high payouts pairs. Starting with 500. Just come the first trade. And here comes the first impulse and first win. I'm starting with 8,000 on my budget from previous session. Second entry. It's a bit late, but yeah, profit again. So let's start. Now the trend is shifting into a range. Also, we skip those switching pairs. I'm waiting for impulse. Let's do this. Yes, here. But I don't like this. I was too late. And boom, martingale. We cover losses. We already 9,600. We upping to 700 per trade. But I don't want to waste this money, of course. Now it's a solid enter for me. And boom, another profit. Let's get more aggressive. Hope you're enjoying these holidays, guys. Me, I'm just enjoying holidays and this session is just for fun, actually. You know my fun, it's always about profit. Well, not always, to be honest, but... 1,400? Yes, it's minus. Whew, okay, let's do the big trade. Oh, very important one. Very important one. Those 3,500 in the game. Happiness not in the money, not in the profit, but like an instrument, it's help us, right? It's help us to be more happy, to be more free, and to enjoy life better and make happy someone. It's minus. Well, someone messaged me on Telegram as usual. When I just start the station, someone started to message me. It's okay, I will answer. You can follow my Telegram channels. Daily stations, giveaways, news, articles about trading, investments, just discipline. Guys, really waiting for you there. Another profit. 12,500. Let's go to 800 now. Let's go to 800. This is the time. This is the time. Oof. Not going good. 2,400. Oof. No, it's so painful. Okay, let's increase this. Okay. At least we covered something. Which was okay. It's just a trading. Another 800. This pair is the headache actually. This pair is the headache. Oof. Difficult decision. But great result. Yes, we cover losses. Let's go. Okay. And boom. 14,000. What about this? Yes, that's a great result. Maybe I should stop. What do you think? 6,000 in the profit already. But I know you guys. I know you. You'll say, why you stop? let's go next. Let's go next trade. Let's go. Just a few more entries, guys. Just a few more entries. I already have holiday mood and I want to chill also, but I also want to have some fun here on pocket option. And I hope you also, guys, enjoy this thing. I'm switching the pair. Okay, 800 engine. Well, easy. Balance 15,400. Well, next trade 1,600. Let's go. 16,000 now. 16,000. Guys, this is a huge comeback from 9,000, but in the same time, believe me, the smart decision sometimes to stop. The best decision to stop trading if you already have a good profit. Go, withdraw some money, enjoy your life, make a break. Don't put the crown on your head. It's too early. We still need to learn something. We still need to make some more resources. Well, the big trade for me now, the biggest trade, so painful. Why I didn't stop? 6,000. Back. Now we at 14,000. Okay, it's a huge comeback again. Hey, this session is crazy. Leave the comments. Do I need to stop or I need to trade more? Well, 2,400. Yes, and yes again. Full. Thank you, Santa. Right now, it's probably the best way to stop. Let me fix this final result. 15,500 from 8,000. We already earned 7,500 today. In 2 sessions, we grew the deposit by almost $14,000. Guys, this is the greatest Christmas gift I can give to myself. Well, what do you think? Is it a great session? Do I need to trade more? Or I need to stop right now? My smart decision is to stop. And next time, we will trade with some new indicators, I promise. Woohoo! Guys, hope you enjoy this ride. Remember, scouting and trading in general actually always come with the risk, especially this kind of ultra short-term 5-second madness. But for me, it brings experiment adrenaline, and with practice and patience, it becomes a strategic, and I found how to see the structure in the chaos. We had some intense moment today, but we came out profitable. This is the main thing. Wishing you a joyful holiday season, and if you're ready to return to productive mood, my Telegram channel can help. There you'll find daily trading session, daily articles about trading, investments insights, live sessions, and some great motivations, and of course, exclusive weekly giveaways. To join the giveaway, subscribe to this YouTube channel, subscribe to my Telegram channel, like this video, drop a comment, something positive, something positive, please, and join my Telegram and send me a message there. I reply to everyone personally, and you'll be in for the next draw. Let's keep learning and growing together. Thank you all for this amazing year, for this amazing journey, and hope we will grow this community bigger and bigger. The bigger community, the bigger giveaways. Remember this. See you in the next video and enjoy your holidays, guys. Peace.